thank you, Mr. Khan, for coming. And this is a great day. I can, I can observe and I can experience that we have started our journey together. And formally, we have started. However, from last 1 year, we have been, of course, collaborating and supporting. That's a great thing. And the vision of the organization, which we see that we really want to make the global leaders who really serve the society, not only to themselves also. So in keeping that thing, you also keep that same kind of mindset, and you have come forward. This is the first MoU we are signing with you, and this would be very beneficial. So thank you so much, first of all, and look forward for your teams and your especially guidance and mentorship for our students and for faculty members. So it's going to be beneficial. And how do you feel?
I think it's a great step forward, in our industry. I would like to set a business on mine, so don't thank me. In fact, I should thank you. It's a great vision that you're seeing, and it is even better to be part of that initiative. I think it's going to be beneficial to both students, the industry, and like you rightly mentioned, the community. That anything and everything that we do, especially at the DoubleTree by Hilton, we should we have a conscious idea that it should have an impact on our business, our team members, and more importantly, our communities. So I completely align with your vision too. I think it's a great step forward in our relationship and formalizing that. I think it's going to be beneficial not only for the students but also for the hotel and industry in general. With the way the hotels are growing in India, especially at the pace which we are growing, I think we definitely need a lot more professionals within the industry who can grow with the industry.
Absolutely, because I really like that the sentence which you added in the MoU's documentation, that of course my staff should be also needing some kind of training or something. So the faculty or the trainers from our school also can help them for the critical situations and do some activities, some design things.
Sharing real life experiences.
Exactly.
Sometimes what we tend to forget is, and it works both ways. And I don't blame any other side because they get a lot of, from the students' perspective, they get a lot of theoretical knowledge within these four walls.
Exactly.
It is very important to gain real life experiences and how you can actually imply those theoretics in practical. Certain things work, certain things don't work. It also goes from a hotel perspective, as an operator's perspective, to understand what the universities and colleges are wanting and how we can better support. So the product that's coming out of these colleges and universities is a fine product, and they all feel that they've achieved something.
Absolutely.
There should be a sense of achievement.
Correct.
We should be ready to face.
So you mean to say there should not be gap when they come into the industry or when they join the industry. So of course you understand the value of the manpower, of the employees, of the future leaders, of the people who are working in the industry on operational and management level.
Absolutely.
So they are coming to the industry and they should not be gap. They should not get the culture shock or the professional shock. Right? So that's why it's an initiative which we wanted to have with some organization, and I really thank DoubleTree by Hilton is the first hotel which is joining hands with the DPGU School for Hospitality and Tourism for coming up with the best hospitality education as well as the excellent environment for the manpower at the hotel.
And I can very confidently say that we're really proud to be partnering with you guys, and you are the only, we're giving you an exclusive understanding. So we want to partner with one institute and share that shared vision. So we can deliver, we both can deliver on our promises.
So the common mindset is the quality matters, quantity over the quantity. Yes. Quantity does not stand in front of the quality. We should focus on quality. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Let's begin our partnership.